What up, Jits? Recording on the phone because I don't got my GoPro anymore. Left it at Mateen's crib. At the front lip for the Winelli. It is the Z28 style. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna lay it down on the floor. Show y'all. Alright, here it is. Not seeing where the hardware is, but oh, it's probably right there. See it? Yo, it's gonna go on the Winelli stock payment too. I'm gonna see how it is. If I don't fuck with it, I'm gonna buy in the Long Springs. But if I do, or like if it doesn't like look bad, I'm gonna wait on that. But I'm gonna get to y'all whenever it's on there. Oh fuck, excuse me. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, we had to like make a little quick pit stop to 7-Eleven. Or not so fuck. Oh, that's not my fat ass. Z's over there. We got 3M tape because it didn't come with any. I'm about to peel it all off, put it on, and then I'm gonna install the self tappers. The lip has been installed. Oh, I could just take this shit off now. Used all the shit they gave me. 3M tape did not fucking work, so I'm gonna lower the bit now. Took off the license plate frame. Lucky took way longer than it should have. I'm gonna put this shit down. So. I'm not gonna lie. It looks good. Oh, I fucking love this. That's exactly what it was missing, bro. Holy shit. Yeah. Doesn't even look bad, the fact that it's not lowered completely. Oh, wait, that's how thick it is. What the fuck? Thought there was a gap. I'm gonna leave the link to this specifically. They make some for 10 and 13, but since I have the 14 to 15 front bumper, obviously it's different. So I'm gonna link both of them down. But bro, this shit looks so fucking good. Damn. I'll see y'all in a bit. We're gonna go cruise and take flicks around 5. It's like what, 4? So like in an hour I'll pick the camera back up. And yeah. Peace out, Jits. Oh, we got fucking David. Oh my god. Why are you so fitted up?
Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to a different vlog. You know what I'm saying?
We're
gonna do some little flicks, a little meat, and then we'll see what this bitch can do. You know what I'm saying?
What you mean by bro? Already spun out like crazy. We've successfully met up with the fucking squad. Who's big ass? We get in the fucking car and there's some gas station. I gotta fucking park this shit better. I ain't gonna hold you. But bro, it looks so fucking clean with the lip, bro. El David. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Give it a little rinse. Bro, under the fucking lighting, it looks good. Then we got Jesse, Denya, and then my fucking brother. I'm gonna fucking fix the parking, bro. This shit is ass. Now we filling up on gas. 93. And we got the Golf going over there. ISF Z parked up. Meanwhile, the SS is getting fucking filled up. Bro, when I tell you this gas light didn't hit, this gas light not even be hitting, bro. It be hitting, bro. Like that fucking front lip, bro. Oh my god, that shit completes the fucking look. Fucking love it, bro. So who's buying me a glizzy?
Huh?
Who's buying me a glizzy?
I got them right here, nigga.
No,
hey, hold on, you got two of them behind you.
Oh. Who's buying me my glizzy?
What?
Buy me a glizzy.
Hell no.
Fucking 7-Eleven food. You already know. What's up with the monkeys? So kind of hard driving over there and then recording, especially Mano. I can make his props. Got the bro recording over there. cat's gonna even focus on him. Ooh. I'm gonna fuck with these glizzies, nigga.
Put that shit away.
Alright, I dropped off David. We in the new location. Car looking good. We in the Jolly Spirit. Look, oh my god, nigga just fucking backed into the phone. Wow, man. The lights on it look good. You need to lower it and throw a lip at it.
Landing on it.
Fucking Z. Little ISF. We're waiting for Jason. I don't like how my phone is like that, but we're waiting for Jason. But that. Put one. Did you?
It's foggy for some reason. Y'all niggas ever say Jason's coming? I'm never waiting on him.
Yo, what up, bro? I'm not waiting for that nigga. Yeah, bro, we've been waiting for Jason for like 2 hours, bro. He said at 5, it's 7, bro.
Oh my